Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma hakanyo teri urisau ulong bagi pulet kelayo ban kem ya wei badan keti hagaban bo yu bom IED hakamat ke office terekam jong ke NPP. Bagi bor sorkar ken saai gejing tiap ki bapura kam hadian. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagi sorkar kan om kensting ya kinu gejing berngam. Mereka nelek banwan rakyat gejing sngan bad ulong ro bagi sorkar kan penti kena bakat ajing daya beroki kertong ki baya konik election. Hagabede bagi jing keno bagi sorkar MDA kamla ban ai gejing syakri upat ba. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong ba kumba kalong menta kidan lai teli kiseng kongres sakajela bat kadai kebadan haplen kejingnya pak japra bat kumta ka kongres kadai ban penbet shwa gi kenrum kenram hapo kayeng kesem jongka haswa bakan kedaukti ne keno persya ya kiwaipan.
Yes, that has been made. The police are interrogating and further details will be given once we get the entire report after the interrogation is done. So please await that, maybe towards later part of the evening. Somebody from the government or the police department will brief you on that. But yes, one arrest has been made and more developments are unfolding as we speak. You see, every threat that is there, every aspect challenge we face is important. We cannot take it lightly, but we're very sure that with the work that the agencies are doing right now, the work that the police is doing right now, we should be able to normalize the situation to large extent, and we don't expect any kind of serious threat in this situation right now. Absolutely, we will take all measures to ensure that all the candidates from all political parties are given enough security.